Hello CLAT aspirants. So here we are with the dress rehearsal of CLAT. Dress rehearsal of CLAT. Yes, the replica of CLAT, and we are keeping our fingers crossed for the best results of our law aspirants. Hope is the thing. Hope is the thing that perches in the soul. Hope is that feather. Hope is that beauty. Hope is that optimism which will keep you alive with its vivaciousness. So with this hope, with this best result, let's begin with our dress rehearsal CLAT passages. We are trying to give the passages just exactly as CLAT we expect from CLAT. And in fact, some are short passages, some are long passages, some are poetry based passages. I have tried to include each and everything which from different streams, different scenarios, different parts, so that you are able to get a picture of CLAT. So ready for the glimpse of CLAT? Okay, let's begin. This is our first passage that we begin with. Right, this is our first passage here. Now, first thing that the students come across is that they tell me that, ma'am, do we have to read the passage and do the questions, or we directly do the questions? See, it's entirely your decision. I am telling you two methods of doing the passage. The first method, you read the passage in a quick go. You have to have a good command over English, yes, and then do the questions. The second method, you can directly turn to the question and then apply it. Whichever method suits you, it's entirely your own decision which you decide to do. But I'll do both the methods and you can see to it whichever fits in for you. Right? Okay, let's begin with the passage. The reading would be very quick. Understand it. We'll take one passage in one class so that we have a fortnight, in fact the 14 days that we can apply to the dress rehearsal of CLAT. Waiting eagerly for it. Let's start. The first passage, I hope it is clearly visible. I've taken care because students had inboxed me many times, ma'am, the first line is not visible, ma'am, this is not there. So I do take care of all those things that the students want so that nothing is there which we do not pay heed on to. Let's begin. Passage 1, once people wore garlic around their necks, right? So what did the people do? People used to wear garlic around their necks to ward off disease. Please note the word ward off means to keep away diseases, right? Because I have to explain, so it takes time. So otherwise you can read it in one go, in a quick go with a microscopic eyes. Today most Americans would scoff at. Scoff at is a very important preposition. Scoff means get angry at this idea. See the preposition at. See, angry with is used for a person and angry at. I'm angry with you. I'm angry at your rude behavior. So this is the same like this. So keep this in mind. Very important preposition section. Scoff at the idea of wearing a necklace of garlic cloves to enhance their well-being. You know, to make better their well-being, you're wearing garlic cloves. In America, this would sound very surprising. Isn't it a good superstition for them? However, this is the twister. The sentence is twisted by this conjunction. However, you might find a number of Americans willing to ingest capsules of pulverized garlic or other herbal supplements in the name of health, right? So they don't want to wear garlic, but they are ready to take many capsules for health purposes. These capsules have what? Garlic in them, right? So the first paragraph, you can see that now the point, the idea would change. Complementary and alternative medicines, which includes a range of practices outside the conventional medicine such as herbs, homeopathy, massage therapy, yoga and acupuncture, hold increasing appeal for Americans. You know, they're very much attracted towards these things, yoga, herbs, acupuncture, massage therapy, they are very much interested in. In fact, according to one estimate, 42% of Americans have used alternative therapies. In fact, according to one estimate, 42% of Americans have used alternative therapies in all age groups. Use of unconventional healthcare practices have steadily increased in the last 30 years, and the trend is likely to continue, although people born before 1945 are least likely. Least likely means hardly, okay, to turn to these therapies, right? Paragraph again change. Why have so many patients turned to alternative therapies? Question mark. a rhetorical question. Why do they turn to other theories, other therapies? Many are frustrated by the time constraints of managed care and alienated by conventional medicine's focus on technology. Now, why do people turn to alternative therapies? Why are they frustrated by the time constraints of the managed care, and alienated means keeping away from the conventional medicine focus on technology, जो कि पुराना method है, traditional method है. Why do they keep away from them? Others feel that a holistic approach to healthcare better reflects their beliefs and values. Others seek therapies that relieve symptoms associated with chronic disease. Symptoms, I just scroll it a bit. Right, I hope that would be okay. It is visible to the students. Right. So, keeping this in mind, why have so many patients turned to alternative therapies? He puts up a rhetorical question. Many are frustrated by the time constraints of managed care and alienated by conventional medical focus on technology. Others feel that a holistic approach to healthcare better reflects their beliefs and values if they have a good holistic approach. See, this is from the word something positive. Others seek therapies that relieve symptoms associated with chronic disease, symptoms that mainstream medicine cannot treat. Some alternative therapies have also come, have even crossed the line into mainstream medicine as scientific investigation has confirmed their safety and efficacy. That's very friendly. See, if suppose you don't know meaning of any word, look into the matter. And word would join two words which are same type. If this safety is a positive word, I don't know efficacy, suppose it would be safety. It would be positive. For example, physicians may currently prescribe acupuncture for pain management or to control the nausea associated with chemotherapy. Additionally, many US medical schools teach courses in alternative therapies, and many health insurance companies offer some alternative medicine benefits. So the passage started with, if you have gone through, if you just have the gist of the matter, because we have questions, always we have questions. What is the main idea of the passage? What is the writer most likely to agree? Which is the point the writer is least likely to agree? This is actually critical reasoning. This is CR with English. So you are conquering both the subjects here. You won't face a problem. I attend to both of them. So in this case, when people were not ready to wear garlic, but they were ready to take the garlic medicines, they were also turning to various alternative and complementary medicine therapies, right? And why did they turn to this? Because they were focusing, they wanted their health to not be affected by it and see to it that everything is in the right scenario. Then alternative medicine therapies have been discussed by it, and what do the US medical stores offer to us, right? So you got an idea of the passage. It takes you 2-3 minutes to hardly read it, of this length, 2 minutes maximum. Now turning to the questions directly for this. First question, what is the main idea of the passage? I give you a second so you can go through it. So I get aside, you can read what is the main idea of the passage, what is the writer trying to say in this, right? So you have first thing, that is an alternative medicine is now a big business. See, is he talking about alternative medicines, which is a big business in the United States, with more Americans seeking it out than ever before? Means earlier so many Americans didn't use it, and now many Americans are using it. Are we talking about this thing? Okay, we are talking about medicines, but we are not talking about medicines in this case of this type. Now turning to the second question. Today, it is not unusual for mainstream doctors to incorporate alternative therapies into their practice. We are talking of business of medicines. Do we talk about the doctors getting into the mainstream or not? Over the last few decades, alternative medicines have become more popular, accepted and practiced in the United States. People are tired of conventional medical focus on technology. conventional medicines never focus on technology. This is absolutely wrong. So your answer, just comes up so quickly, it crops up. You have to see, of course it talks about the medicine business, of course it talks about the doctors, of course it talks about the technology and conventional methods, but what is highlighted? If we have to just go through our mind and we draw the diagram in our mind, it is crystal clear that we are talking about here that alternative medicines have become so popular. Instead of wearing the first line itself, instead of wearing that garlic garland, what do they prefer? They prefer to have medicines, capsules of garlic. The same thing, but in a different form. So this is an alternative medicine which has become very popular, accepted and practiced in the United States. I hope, because students were always coming when I was doing the inference, ma'am, please help us to do the main idea of the passage. Main idea means just for a second, just close your eyes and see what is this passage talking about. What is the 90% thing discussed in the passage, and that forms the main idea. Focus on the first line of the paragraph and things should be read with your mind mapping. Yes, you're ready for the second question. According to the passage, which practice would be defined as alternative medicine? Would not be defined. Don't forget this word, would not be defined as alternative medicine. Pain management, acupuncture, taking herbal garlic supplements, or massage therapy, which will not be alternative medicine. See, massage therapy has been mentioned if you go through it. Herbal garlic supplements are mentioned. Acupuncture is mentioned. What is not mentioned? Don't forget and don't miss this word. There is a difference between careless students and careful students. So the answer, very simple, yes, this is not mentioned in the passage about pain management. Moving to question 3. Based on the information given below, just a minute. Based on the information given below, what kind of person, what is the question? What kind of person would be least likely, your favorite question and of the examiner, least likely to seek out alternative medical treatment? Who will be the person who would least likely to seek out for medical treatment? A senior citizen suffering from chemotherapy induced nausea, a young woman suffering from chronic fatigue syndrome, a 45-year-old man who believes that his body and mind must be treated together, or a 25-year-old track star with chronic back pain. If you go for the passage and you see which would be least likely to seek out for the alternative medical treatment, I just scroll it to show it to you. Here it is. We have various therapies. Different, I have to scroll it here a bit more, right? In all age groups, it is unconventional medicine being used. For the last 30 years, you can see 42% of people have been using it very often, and others feel holistic medicine therapies are very important for chronic disease. You can see here it's talked about the chronic disease, and alternative medicines are also coming up. But for example, please look up the example they have given. Physicians may currently prescribe acupuncture for pain management to control the nausea associated with chemotherapy, right? This will form the base for the line of the answer that we are going to choose, right? Moving on further to question, would be least likely. Which person will be least likely to do it? Right? So it will be a citizen who is suffering from chemotherapy induced nausea, right? You got the line. This will not be ready to do so. Turning to our question 4. The passage indicates that alternative treatments are increasingly being used by mainstream medical professionals. Who are using it? Alternative treatments are used by whom? That is the people who are of the mainstream medical professionals. Why is it so? Because first, we have more and more Americans are demanding alternative therapies. Are Americans demanding it? Healthcare insurance companies are now providing. Do we have healthcare companies providing more benefits for alternative medical treatment? They are frustrated by the time constraints of management care. And scientific studies are becoming available and they prove their effectiveness and safety. This is what is indicated why the alternative treatments are there. I again show you this point here clearly mentioned as per the passage. Alternative therapies have even entered into the mainstream, and this is scientific inventions have confirmed their safety and efficacy. You can see that physicians may currently prescribe acupuncture for pain management to control nausea associated with chemotherapy. So US medicals teach some alternative therapies and many health companies offer some alternative medical benefits. So why would people turn to this? Yes, clearly mentioned as per the question here, fourth one. Scientific studies are becoming available. I just tick it here. So scientific studies are becoming available that prove that effective they are and they are very safe. The last two paragraph proves it. You choose from the last paragraph. See, we have 5 to 6 passages that we expect, and we have 4 to 5 questions per passage. Some passage may have 5, some passage may have 6. But the questions which have been recurrent is main idea of the passage, least likely to agree, agrees with it, or not at all agrees with it, which will be you will be crossing, which is not applicable or which is applicable. So actually you get into it, you understand how the passage is to be done, and we'll be coming up with more of the complicated passage with each and every video which you will admire, eulogize, applaud and commend. Yes, waiting for your feedback and coming up with the next passage in the next class. Please stay tuned, do like our video and do subscribe it. Thank you, students.